Hi everybody, welcome back. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving break, and I hope you actually got to have a little bit of a break, even with the class still going on during it. Hope you had time with family and everyone was safe in their travels. It's hard to believe this is week 12, which means only 2 more after this. I don't know if the semester's gone fast for you, but it definitely has for me. And I'm excited because I think some of the best lessons are saved for the end here. So this week in Lesson 12, we're going to talk about, I don't know, it's hard to say anything is more important than family relationships. And so we're going to learn a lot about family relationships and how to improve them and make some goals to do so. With everything else in this world, family relationships are one of the few things that will continue into the next and for eternity. And so it's definitely worth our time of what we're going to be learning this week. Everything will be pretty standard. All the assignments, let me know if you have any questions on those. I'll just talk today about the application activity that you have. And this one's not too complicated, and I hope it's meaningful. So please make sure you put in the necessary effort to receive the necessary blessings from it. What you're going to do basically, and this should start in your gathering on Thursday night, is you're going to be setting some goals on improving 2 family relationships. And it explains in there these can be existing relationships with a parent, a spouse, a child, aunt, uncle, anyone, relationships that you want to improve, or if necessary, it can be a future relationship. So preparing for a future marriage would be an example, or a future parent-child relationship. As you go through the instructions, hopefully that'll make a little more sense. So we'll go through this assignment, but basically you're using your knowledge of SMART goals. This keeps coming up, so you should be a pro at it by now. You're going to be setting 2 SMART goals. And obviously these are goals that are going to go way beyond this class, but the assignment is to start on them this week, to set them and start working on them as you go. So it's going to remind you about SMART goals. And in step 2, you got these 6 questions that you need to answer about your goals. And you're going to answer the questions twice, one for each of the relationship. So if you're going to improve a relationship with a spouse, you do questions 1 through 6, and then your second one, if you're improving a relationship with a child, you number 7 through 12, answer the same questions. Now in this one, it doesn't really specify a length. I would like a paragraph on each of these. It doesn't have to be a huge paragraph, but a paragraph length response to each question is how I'll kind of grade that one. Anyway, so once again, don't just jump through this hoop because it's an assignment. This is something that can have a real effect on your family and your relationships that you have. And so yeah, just take it serious, put in the necessary effort, and hopefully it'll be a beneficial experience. You'll then report on this progress in the next week's learning report, so kind of continue a little bit there. Hope that makes sense. Once again, great topics this week. Let me know of any questions you might have, and I look forward to talking with you.